I have 7 heifers out of Rufus here, so I did not want to inbreed, so we made a trade, an even Steven trade with a guy out of Athens, Texas for Booger Red here. They are both the same age, 1 day difference. They came from the same farm, ranch out of Oklahoma. So everything went good for both of us. Every once in a while, I test my drone flying skills by flying through the barn. Now watch closely because I've got to get it all lined up in the middle. The drone warns me if I'm going to bump into anything above or down below, but it doesn't warn you if you go laterally, sideways. See right there? I was lucky. But I did get it lined up to my satisfaction. And you'll see right here, I'm lining it up again. Then I will begin to ease up and make sure I'm pretty well centered before I fly through this front door of the barn. It's closed a little tighter than the back door was, so this is a little more complicated, and will test my drone flying skills a lot. So here we go. Okay, I'm satisfied. Moving to the right just a little bit, and then ready, set, satisfied, zoom, I go through. Now, I was so proud of myself that I lost some concentration, as you will see right here. I am now going to fly to the front of my house, and you'll see me sitting there operating the drone, and I lose my concentration for just a second, and I fly into that second tree. And again, I was scooting over to the left sideways, and it did not warn me that I was getting close to the tree, and bam. Crash I went. But here you will see I recovered and am back to flying the drone again and giving a thumbs up that all is fine.